What's up guys, Samyak here. Today I am back with a new and interesting topic which everyone uses or require. So in this video I will show you how to give answers to messages and missed calls automatically. I will show you how does it work. I have two phones. I will give a missed call from this phone to this. As you can see that message has been arrived that I am busy in something, will call you later. So in this video I will show you how this trick works. So let's get started. So open Play Store and download app Can't Talk. So I have provided the link in the description also. So open this app. Skip all these things. To this app, just enable it from top right corner like this. You can enable it whenever you want. Now if you want to reply the messages automatically, then enable SMS. To reply the calls, activate it. You can also reply it to some special contacts like this. So select it as you want. Now on top in auto reply message, just type the message you want to send. Like, I want to reply, I am busy in something, will call you later. And that's it. Now this app will automatically reply to the messages and calls as I showed you in starting of the video. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching it. If you like the video then please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel then please subscribe it. Thank you and have a nice day.